Hello children, we'll study chapter 7 from your moral science book titled Be Single-Minded. In this chapter we will learn about how to be focused on one thing only, and if we are single-minded, that means if we are just focused only one thing, if we aim to reach our goal, we will succeed. So if one has to achieve success, one should be single-minded. Single-mindedness means to be focused on one thing only. If you do a piece of work with your whole concentration, you can achieve success. For example, if you put a piece of paper in the sunlight, it will not burn. But if you take a lens and let the sun rays pass from it through to the piece of paper, it will burn. Do you know the reason the sun rays are concentrated at one point by the lens and they burn the paper? If you want to achieve a goal, you should concentrate fully on the means, and one day you will achieve your goal. Here is a story about the art of concentration. The Kauravas and the Pandavas were cousins. Dronacharya was their guru. One day, Guru Dronacharya wanted to test his disciples in archery. The guru kept a stuffed bird on a branch of a tree. He then ordered his pupils to shoot with the bow and the arrow at the bird's eye. He first called upon Yudhishthira. The guru asked him, "What do you see beside the bird?" Yudhishthira replied, "Guruji, I can see the blue sky." The guru told him to step aside. He then called upon Duryodhan and asked him the same question. "What do you see beside the bird?" Duryodhan replied, "I see the tree and the leaves." The guru told him to step aside. In this way, he called all the Kauravas and the 4 Pandavas. All were asked to step aside. Finally, he called upon Arjuna. He again asked the same question. "What do you see other than the bird?" Arjuna replied, "I do not see anything except the bird's eye." Dronacharya said, "Your concentration is very good." He then ordered him to shoot, and Arjuna did so, and the bird dropped down. Guru then told his disciples, "An archer should see only the target and nothing else." So we learn from the story that if we want to get success, if we want to achieve success, we need to make one ideal our aim in life. We need to think about it day and night so that we will be focused enough to achieve our goal. Let's move to the question and answer part. First one, fill in the blanks. If one has to achieve success, one should be single-minded. 2. An archer should see only the target and nothing else. 3. If you want to achieve success, make an ideal your aim in life. 4. The Kauravas and Pandavas were cousins. 5. Dronacharya was the guru. 6. Dronacharya kept a stuffed bird on a tree. 7. The person who shot the bird was Arjuna. Answer the following. What do you mean by single-mindedness? Single-mindedness means to be focused on one thing only. If we do a work with our whole concentration, we can achieve success. 2. How were Kauravas and Pandavas related? The Kauravas and the Pandavas were cousins. Who was their guru? Guru Dronacharya was their guru. Question 4. How did Guru Dronacharya test his disciples in archery? Answer. Guru Dronacharya kept a stuffed bird on a branch of a tree. He then ordered his students to shoot with the bow and the arrow at the bird's eye. In this way, Guru Dronacharya tested his disciples in archery. Thank you.